Hello and welcome to a video on gardensall.com. Today we are going to demonstrate leaf blowers, and we're doing a little contest to see which blower of our favorites gives the best performance. So Nikolai is holding a Greenworks blower and Coleman is holding a Stihl blower, and they're going to do a face-off between the two. You can see we have a leaf pathway behind them, about equal amounts of leaves in length. And we're gonna get the motors started, and then they're gonna start on cue so we can see which blower wins. Okay, you ready to start? Start your motors. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, yeah, Nikolai's missing some. Maybe come on back, buddy, and catch what you missed. He's not being as thorough as Coleman. He's got lots of leaves to blow there. And it looks like, whoop, Coleman pushed through to the finish line before he was done with all of his leaves, but his Stihl did perform better than Nikolai's Greenworks. Okay, so Nikolai, you were trying to rush along, so some of your leaves are still left behind, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and then Coleman, you pushed through the blue line at the end, but yours still was the winner. So today, Stihl is the winning leaf blower in terms of performance. We use them both, we love them both, but today, Stihl outperformed. All right, and there's Devani in the background, or in the foreground now, getting photos as well. Okay, Coleman and Nikolai? All right, so you already put the blower down?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Oh, well, it's out of the picture. You guys saw it already. All right. Thanks very much.